Hello friends, this is Veronica from House of Sid, where we make videos on coffee recipes, coffee reviews, coffee adventures, and all things from the wonderful world of coffee. And you know what time it is? It's cafecito time. And today's cafecito time, I have a special coffee that I've been talking about, and some of you have requested me to make this video on this recipe, and it is one of my favorites. It is Tres Leches. So if you're not familiar with Tres Leches, it's a very popular cake in Mexico and South America. It's basically a cake that is moistened with 3 kinds of milk. That's why it's called Tres Leches. They use 3 types of milk to moisten the cake, and it's a very moist, creamy, delicious. And I thought, well, you know what? That might make a very good coffee. So today I'm going to show you my version, my recipe of Tres Leches coffee. So stick around. Okay, so to make the Tres Leches coffee, we're going to use one of my favorite coffee capsules, the Mexico Master Origins capsule. There it is. Tres Leches, Mexican coffee, makes perfect sense. We're going to use that. We're going to use our 3 milks. You're going to need condensed milk. No. You're going to need condensed milk. This is a very popular brand, but you can use any brand you want. La Lechera, Nestle. You're going to need some evaporated milk, any brand you like. This is what I have. And we're going to need some heavy whipping cream. If you don't have heavy whipping cream, you can use half and half, or even just regular milk of choice. Or if you do not want dairy, then you could use alternatives. But this is what we're using today for our Tres Leches coffee. You guys ready? Okay, let's get started. So we have all our ingredients. First, we're going to prepare our milk, and we are going to froth it. So I'm going to take you over to my frother to get it ready. So I'm going to start with my condensed milk, sweetened condensed milk, and this is what's going to give it a very sweet, creamy, yummy flavor. And these are just the measurements I came up with. You could always adjust them, make them different. I'm going to put in about 1 tablespoon of sweetened condensed milk. Yum, this is so good. You can put this in any coffee and you'll have a good coffee drink. Oh my God, this is so good. So we're gonna put just a little bit more. Okay, so once we have our sweetened condensed milk, we are going to brew our coffee. So you're going to need a Mexico capsule. If you don't have Mexico, you can use any other strong, more intense coffee. You could try a Cuba if you have it. You can try Intenso. You could really make it with any kind of coffee. I just think the Robusta and intense flavors of this one tastes very good. So we're going to brew our coffee. We're going to brew our coffee into our sweetened condensed milk. And while that is brewed, I'm going to take you over to froth our other 2 milks. Let's go froth our milks. Okay. There it is. Frothing away. Our coffee is brewed, and I love the little bottom layer. of the condensed milk there. And this is our evaporated milk and heavy whipping cream that goes in here. All that foamy goodness on top. Oh, yeah. We're going to mix it up because we want to get that yummy condensed milk at the bottom. I'm going to top it off with some whipped cream and cinnamon, because if you've ever had tres leches, it has a very yummy, creamy topping. So you don't have to put the whipped cream, but I'm going to. Just a little bit on top. Yum. And then a sprinkle of cinnamon, a little dusting. You guys, I made a mess, but this looks so good. Tres leches café, condensed milk, evaporated milk, heavy whipping cream, 3 milks mixed in with Mexico capsule, some whipped cream, and cinnamon. Oh my God, this looks so good. You guys need to try this. This is my version, House of Sid version of Tres Leches Café. It's sweet, but not super sweet. And that bold coffee kind of really helps with the sweetness, helps with the boldness of the coffee. I need a bigger cup. If you like, you could also add some vanilla extract. I didn't because I think I really like the milk flavors to come through. But this is really good. It's not that sweet. If you want to make it sweeter, go ahead and add a little bit more condensed milk, which I'm going to right now at the top. This is so good. If you guys find condensed milk in the little squeeze bottle, definitely buy it. It's just so much easier. This is a brand from Mexico, but they sell it here too. It makes it so much easier to squirt. This is really good. It's not super sweet. The 3 milks give it a very distinct flavor. You guys, I made a mess, but it's really good. Ooh, yeah. You don't have to add the whipped cream if you don't want. You could just sprinkle some cinnamon on top, but like I said, tres leches cake, you just have to kind of go all the way with the tres leches café. So that's it. This is my tres leches recipe. I hope you enjoy it. Let me know if you try it. Let me know if you've ever made anything like this. It's super easy, super simple, really delicious. So make sure you are giving us thumbs up if you like our videos. And subscribe. Make sure you subscribe because we have a lot of fun videos coming up. I currently have a giveaway for my 2-year YouTube anniversary. So go watch the video, go enter the giveaway, and then we have another giveaway coming up when we give away a Nespresso machine. So make sure you are subscribed so you get notified when the giveaways are coming, when our videos are coming. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoy our videos and share them with your friends and family because I'm sure some of you know other cafecito lovers that would enjoy these recipes. So that's it, guys. I'm out of here. I'm going to go have my coffee. It's really good. Definitely a treat that you should try. And you could use, like I said, any coffee capsule or even just any regular coffee. It doesn't have to be Nespresso, but you do need the tres leches. So that's it. I'm out of here. See you guys next week. Bye. Thanks for watching, everyone.